taking a look at this jump starter. I already have jumper cables in the car, and they're just fine. If you have another vehicle handy, I've used them multiple times, but when you're in a situation, if there's not another vehicle around, or the other vehicle can't get close to where the battery is in your car, then something like this can be a big advantage. I got this. I had opportunity to get this to review, so this is my review. So this is first time I've opened the box. You saw me open it. And so one thing I'm concerned about with something like this is if when it comes to the time when you really need it, is it going to work? So here we've got, there's a manual, insert cable, connect the clamp, start your engine after starting. This is nice. Actually, this, you know, a lot of times these days you get instructions which are very poor. This has a nicely, looks like quite a nicely made manual. That's a sign, you know, that's a sign that they're cared enough to make a decent manual. Let's take a look what else we've got. This is, obviously you can charge this, looks like, from like a phone charger. I'm going to have to take a look at it. This looks like a fairly decent cable. I haven't even read the instructions, so we're taking a look here. Looks like there's a port right there. And you would want to keep those separate, right? Well, nice thing about this is that, you know, it's insulated here. I noticed that right away. So yeah, it's a decent grip it's got on there. So you can't accidentally short this out. Let's see, when we put this in, what happens. So I'm going to put that in there. Okay, something. Let's see how well that goes in. Okay, that goes in. It feels fairly secure, and it looks like it's got a little light on there. I guess we can take this off. All right, it's got a blue light. It says standby. Blue is standby, and it says green is ready. Well, let's see what happens if I turn this on. So those are not touching. All right, and it looks like this is fully charged out of the box. So it doesn't need a charge. And, you know, the only way to really test whether this is going to work is to have a dead battery, which I don't have. But this is something that if you're going to go away, then you would want to make sure that this is fully charged and have it in the car with you. So it looks like it's gone off. After a while, I guess it goes off. Let's see what else it's got there. It's got a button there for something. So I don't know what that does, actually. If you push and hold it, I don't know. So I guess we have to read the instructions, but I'm going to take this out right now. Just look at. So that's, you know, it's a good fitting connection there. And you cover this up, and this is a nice size actually. This is something that'll go in the glove box. I guess you have to put this in the glove box too, so that's going to take up your whole glove box. But you know, that's, if you would keep this in the glove box, it would fit. And let's see what else it's got. So you push that. How about you push it, double click? How do you turn the lights on, I wonder? So pushing and holding. Yeah. Okay. So. Even without instructions, you can kind of guess that it's a combination of clicks. That's a nice light. Oh, even has a strobe. A slow strobe. All right, so that's nice. Just based on what I see with the components, the manual that somebody actually cared to make in a, you know, nice format. You know, this is probably going to end up, for me, it's going to end up in the back of the car rather than in the glove box, but looked like a decent product.